My name is Alan McRoberts. I am an enterprise network consultant with Configure Consulting and have been with them for 2.5 years. I consult with corporations in their IT departments regarding infrastructure discovery and asset management. I have a master's degree in networking and business communications. Today, we will be discussing software asset management and license audits. Our agenda for today: are you at risk? Vendor audits, audit penalties, automatic compliance, ROI. Are you at risk? In order to protect your company, this information is vital to know. If you answered no to any of these questions, your company may be at risk. The 5 vendors most likely to audit corporate software licenses are Microsoft, Adobe, Autodesk, Oracle, and SAP, in that order. Software vendors are starting to use audits as an additional source of revenue, and because of inefficient software asset management programs, they are filling their coffers quite nicely. The question isn't will you face an audit, but when, and will you be ready? Vendor audits may result in financial penalties with severe impact to your entire organization. The cost of non-compliance is high, and whether your company has already received an audit letter or has the potential to receive one, it is important that you take steps ahead of time to protect your business. If companies track software and licenses at all, they often do it with a mix of spreadsheets, file cabinets, and multiple different purchasing systems. One of the biggest hits in an audit is the time that it takes to come up with accurate numbers of purchase licenses versus installations. This includes virtualized, cloud, and private cloud delivery. While Software Asset Manager software introduces yet another piece of software that has to be licensed and tracked, you can consider it as audit insurance. From a simple ping sweep of given IP ranges, HP's asset management solution discovers your IT hardware and software assets by utilizing HP's discovery tool and tracks them from request to retirement within the Asset Manager tool, which then eliminates the need for multiple spreadsheets, file cabinets, and several different purchasing systems. This solution abolishes that big hit on time used to figure out if you are compliant or not, and allows your team to focus on more pressing issues. Your IT team will know what assets they have, where they are located, who is using them, and how they are being utilized. From this information, software audit and compliance reports can be created along with financial and budget reporting, giving you a first-hand look on a weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. Sample data showing information gathered from that initial ping sweep and subsequent discovery jobs. The tool discovered 152 Unix servers, 2,053 Windows servers, 430 separate instances of installed software on one Windows server. In the top box, we see Adobe Acrobat in green. 686 were purchase licenses, 101 installed. That means 585 licenses purchased and not being used. At $101 each, that's $59,085 not being used. Look at the MS Visio 2007. 106 purchase licenses, 214 installed. That means 108 more installs than licenses. At $221 each, that's $23,866 plus any fines assessed. SharePoint Server, 27 overinstalled. At $7,000 per install, that equals a whopping $189,000 plus any fines. The total there is $271,953 plus any fines that will be assessed during your audit. As you can see, your return on investments are immediate. Money saved by turning off those unused servers. Money saved during the audit by having all of your software properly licensed. Money and time saved by having all of your assets stored in one CMDB. Money saved by consolidating contracts. As you can see, your return on investments are immediate. The results are time and money saved. It's easy to get started with our asset management solution. Call 1-800-987-8460 today or email us at info@configureconsulting.com for further information.